Morning YouTube, welcome to everyone which is on my channel today. Today we're gonna talk about Craftsman ratcheting screwdriver, or actually speed drive ratcheting screwdriver. Is a two position of the clutch. One is for loosening, one is for the tightening of the screws. Here in the box, actually this is not box, this is packaging. They advertise you speed drive technology, 2 times faster driver's screws, which with each left and right turn is 15 pieces. So this means is with double-ended bits, 7 double-ended bits and ratcheting driver. Craftsman is a American brand, but is made in China. This just to mention. On the back of the handle, inside of the handle, you have 7 double-ended bits. PH1, PH2, PH3, couple slotted, lot of torques. They start from I believe 10 or no 15 maybe. From 15 to 30, and also they give you Robertson 1 and 2 or square 1 and 2, and here this is a double-ended PH2. I'm choosing to use this screwdriver with 50 millimeters Milwaukee beads because they hold very well, and also this is a posi drive too, because they didn't include it to you posi drive. Why I choose Craftsman over the Stanley Fat Max? Because they have couple reasons. First of all, this is a red and black. Stanley Fat Max is yellow with black. Second reason is because on this screwdriver they give you 7 double-ended bits. On the Stanley Fat Max they gave you only 3. And also, third one is because I'm a fan of the Milwaukee. All of you know that Milwaukee is black and red. Let me see that. Not have magnet on the front, but I have wear a magnetizer, and probably you will be able to magnetize a little bit, but there is nothing special. What is unique of this? They have 2 position. One is in, tightening screws. One is out, you're loosening screws. When you hold this black ring here with the right speed drive, you start to drive 2 times faster over the screws. But on the wood screws, you must break it first. You must break first the screw and then to loosen it. Same situation is with the tightening screws. If you hold this like that, screw in, but when you want to finish, you must be with one hand. So this option, this technology, is good for machine thread screws, or for example, if you want to start with one screw on new hole, they must to be pre-holed. Otherwise, you're gonna use it like a normal screwdriver. For example, here I'm gonna show you, if you want to screw something, first you must to start and then to tightening. If you try to get with two hands, you transfer all the torque here on the screwdriver on the front, and you are not able to using this technology. This technology works only if you tightening screws on the pre-drilled hole, I mean. Otherwise, you're not able to use this technology. For example, I'm gonna show you now. If you hold this ring, he fights with you, yeah. If you start new screws on a pre-drilled hole, you're gonna be able to use this option. But because this screwdriver is a low torque, not high torque, when you get some resistance on the screw, you must to use it by one hand. This is I think, unique if you try to rotate the ring to select position of the clutch. Here is a lift up, press down, only two position. No have like a normal screwdriver to use it. No have a locking position. For example, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite ratcheting screwdriver. You have three position on the clutch, but don't have speed drive technology. American type screwdriver. Other American driver is this one from America Wiha. Is a 18-1. Two double-ended bits. One is a PH1, PH2. Here you have a 1/4 nut driver. Remove this shaft. You have over here 1/4 of the inch slotted and 3/16, 1 inch and 3/16, and also 5/16 nut driver. Made in USA. This is a made in USA version of this. This is a Wiha, Monticello, Minnesota. Other example is from Poland, made in Poland, Wiha, 12-in-1. Model number is 3803 with very strong magnet on the front. And also they start with the torques for T15, T20, T25, T30, couple PH and positive drive, and two slotted is a Philip PH and positive drive too. So they offer positive drive 1, 2, and 3, and also PH3, PH1, and PH2 is made in Poland. Here they clearly mark it, made in Poland. And also I have one example from Wiha. This is a Wiha Pocket Max. This is made in Vietnam, also with the strong magnet. But this is a 18-1. Is a Torx 25 from Wiha Blue series. How they hold it here, they install one magnet on the bottom, and with magnet keep your bits. So this is a 8-in-1, but I made it 9-in-1. This is a 13-in-1. If you count this bits, they are 13-in-1. Other my favorite ratcheting screwdriver is from this company. I have a review as well in my channel if you want to check it. Also is a 13-in-1. Very nice ratcheting screwdriver. And I'm gonna show you another one, American style nut driver, but this is a metric version. Also with the shaft. Here's a 19, 8 millimeters. Inside is a 9 millimeters, 13, 14, 11, 10, 5, 7, and couple hex, 10 millimeters and 8 millimeters. Why I choose to show you this? Because it's unique and it's not so expensive. I told you already, it's same price like Stanley Fat Max, so 26 pounds, but they give you more bits, double-ended bit. They are not with the ball, they are with notches here. It's up to you, guys. If you want Wiha, Mega Pro, Klein Tools, Milwaukee, or another drive, Klein Tools. Let's measure this ratcheting screwdriver. Entire length of the driver is with the bit as well, 24 centimeters. Handle 11.5 millimeters. With mechanism is 16.5. So the shaft is 42 millimeters. Check it on Amazon or eBay or Google it. Thank you for your attention. We'll see you next time.